I've tried deferent air fryer before and this is my number one. A high-quality machine that cooks fast and uses very little oil. I bought another one as a gift for my friends and they love it. Definitely worth the investment and I wouldn't recommend you buying any other model. Works great for lazy and busy people that appreciate good food. I seriously don't know how I lived without it in the kitchen. It can cook everything. Meat, chicken, grilled cheese, grilled vegetables and incredible French fry. This air fryer gets you the same deliciously crunchy taste of fried food, using a little or no oil. I love the designs and it's perfect for my kitchen counter. With the new WEISS Air Fryer you can eat healthier food with 80% less fat. Air fryer is the healthiest alternative to deep frying as it only requires a tablespoon of oil or less. This means, you will consume 80% less fat while still enjoying all your favorite fried, grilled, baked and roasted foods. The cookbooks include classic recipes including French fries and fried chicken, exotic recipes, and also desserts including new air fryer rapid air technology. Electric air fryer with rapid air circulation technology, circulates hot air around a metal cooking basket, requiring little or no oil as it fries, bakes and grills. In addition to the heated airflow, powerful direct heat from above quickly crisps the food for delicious, golden brown results while draining excess fat. I really enjoyed it.